Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devleena and in today's video I am going to talk about something very different. So today I am going to talk about an Ayurvedic product and this is by the brand Upakarma Ayurveda. So recently I came across this particular brand and they have sent me two of their products and I will be showcasing those products in front of you and telling you about the amazing benefits these products have. Firstly, मैं आयुर्वेदिक प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में क्यों बात कर रही हूँ? द ओनली रीजन बीइंग इज दैट हम लोग जिस सिचुएशन में है इन दिस पैंडेमिक, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ. हम लोगों को बाहर जाना पड़ रहा है फॉर सम और द अदर रीजन. कुछ लोगों का ऑफिस खुल गया है एंड दे नीड टू गो आउट एवरी सिंगल डे एंड हम लोग के यहाँ पे केसेस बहुत जल्दी बढ़ रहे हैं. सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन वी really needs to boost our immunity and increase our stamina. Hence these products actually help you in order to boost your immunity and increase your stamina so that you can lead a healthy life and be as safe as possible from all of the diseases that are there. Also another thing is that in this particular pandemic हम लोग सब कोई घर पे है and this is kind of creating like a mental pressure on many people because we are not able to go out and relax like we used to do or enjoy, and that is actually affecting us a lot and it is leading to anxiety or stress. So these products which I will be talking about today also helps to improve your mind as well as your body. So let's get started with this particular video. The first product that I will be talking about is this one. So this is Upakarma Ayurveda Ashwagandha. So this basically helps to revitalize your mind and body. Now talking about the pricing of this particular product, this one retails for 849 rupees and you get 90 capsules in it, which is 450 milligrams. Now talking about this particular package, so it comes in a box like this and inside you get the capsule bottle. So this is how the capsule bottle looks like and inside you have all of the 90 capsules. The capsules look very normal. It is a brown colored capsule like this and as per their recommendation they tell you to have this twice daily, but that is completely up to you as to how you are going to have it. Like for me, I have it once a day and that is good for me. Now talking about the amazing benefits of this particular product is that this particular capsule relieves stress and anxiety, it boosts your immunity, it improves your strength and stamina and also helps to strengthen the muscle. So be it any age group that you fall in, this is completely good for you and this is also 100% natural solution. So this doesn't have any side effect whatsoever. Coming to the second product is this one. Now this is the Upakarma Ayurveda Pure Shilajit Resin Foam. Now this comes in a very luxurious packaging like this. Now this comes in a box sort of this and here is the product and also here is the spoon. Now this is either a copper or a bronze spoon. So basically this is not plastic. They have actually taken a good care about the packaging of this particular product. Now this is how the dabba looks like and inside you have the product. Now talking about the pricing of this particular product, this one retails for 1450 rupees and you get about 15 gram of product. Now I again know this is on the very expensive side, but you need a very small amount of quantity. So you basically need a pea size amount and you have to put this in water or milk and have it at night or in the morning as you prefer. So this product is going to last you for a really long time. So this one comes with a big leaflet like this describing you what is this product about. So this one has some really amazing benefits. Now it not only helps your body but it also helps your mind and and also your lifestyle. Now for your body, it boosts your immune system, it treats diabetes, hypertension, anemia, kidney stones and many other diseases. It protects the liver, pancreas, repairs the tissues, muscles and bones, improves physical strength and endurance. Now coming to the mind, it helps to reduce anxiety, eliminates physical and mental fatigue, improves concentration, alertness and mental performance, and promotes emotional balance and calmness. So now coming to how this particular product helps to improve your lifestyle as well. So this basically helps to regulate your metabolic rate, potent source of vitamins and minerals for overall development. It counteracts the effects of aging. It detoxifies your body and mind. It improves your sleep pattern, sporting performance in a natural way. So basically this product is an overall one product which helps to improve your body as well as your mind and your lifestyle. So definitely check out this particular product. We have always heard about some amazing benefits of Ayurveda into our lifestyle, and probably in your family there will be definitely one person who follows Ayurveda religiously. So that was all for these two products and how they are so beneficial for your health and your body. And also Upakarma Ayurveda as a brand has many other products. Those products are also very beneficial and 100% natural. They have various products ranging from shampoos, hair oils and also many other Ayurvedic products like these. You should definitely check those out. I will be linking all of the links in the description box down below, and also I will be giving you their website link as well. Definitely check out this particular brand. They are doing an amazing thing in order to bring back Ayurveda into our lifestyle. And that was all for this particular video. If you have any other questions about these products, then let me know in the comment sections down below. Also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I am very active on Instagram. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.